Hi, this is Mary Lynn at Lenoir City Ford doing a real quick walk around on a 2011 Ford Escape Limited. Now this is our certified pre-owned vehicle. So that basically means it comes with a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, 172 point inspection before this vehicle even hits the lot. This is a limited, so it comes with leather, heated seats, it even has a backup camera. Very, very nice car. Take a look inside real quick. See, it's got the black leather heated seats, power doors, power windows. Comes with Sirius, free for 6 months. See the sunroof and the back seat. Any questions or comments, please call me at 865-456-6304. Thank you and have a great day.